One of my friends asked me on how to make an FM radio antenna. So I wanted to try it out. But I did not have a regular FM radio with me. So I was wondering what to do. It is then that I came across this simple amplispeaker. I had bought this as an amplispeaker and it had a microphone which got damaged later. The important feature of this amplispeaker is that this has several modes. This is the port for using a mic, phono jack, and you can have an auxiliary input also here. There's a USB port over here. This USB is for charging. USB mini port is for charging. You can input 5 volts here and you can charge it. And this is the on off switch. And this one works also as an FM radio. If you give an antenna here, it's not exactly an antenna, you connect the mic here. It had a built-in or a mic supplied with it, which got damaged and I don't have it now. So if you connect a mic there, the mic cord or probably something like that would act as an antenna, and this can receive FM signals from the local FM broadcast. Now I'll switch it on.
Welcome to Landmark Music. Bluetooth.
So now the connection is on Bluetooth and there is a display of light going on here. Interesting display over here. You can switch it off. That is, the light display can be switched off by a long press here. See, the light display has gone. Short press here will change the mode.
FM mode.
Now it has gone to FM mode. A short press change it from Bluetooth to FM mode. You can use this as a Bluetooth speaker. You can cast from your computer, mobile phone or any other device to the speaker and have a better audio. I am using it for listening music. And you have noted that when FM mode was activated, only the hissing sound was heard, no station was heard. That's because antenna has not been connected. Antenna means the mic. I have another mic here. You can see this is the mic and this is the cable. I'll try attaching that here. Now I'll switch on.
Welcome to Landmark Music. Bluetooth.
Again, the default mode is Bluetooth. I'll change it.
FM mode.
You can use this for tuning. You could hear an FM station when I lifted up the cable, but that was not very clear. Maybe because the signal strength is not high indoors, and we need performance to be improved by using a better antenna. So I have some scope for improvement using a Homebrew FM antenna. That's what I am going to try as the next project.